video here about Rose of Sharon. Um, I'm going to be putting a row of Rose of Sharon along the back wall of, the fence of the yard there next to where the bamboo's gone. So I've gone around to a couple of neighbors' houses and said, hey, can I pick some Rose of Sharon seeds? I like the colors of your um, plants. So I wanted to show these are what Rose of Sharon seed pod seeds look like. Um, Open them up, and the seeds are just right inside. You got to get them before they open up off the plant, otherwise, all the seeds drop onto the ground. Um, so, there is a pile of Rose of Sharon seeds, which I will not be planting until probably February, um, to give them a head start on the year. But I'm taking them out of the husks because the husks are large, and I can put these little seeds inside like a old prescription pill bottle and just write ROS on the top, and I'll have multiple colored Rose of Sharon seeds. Um, that's basically all the information I wanted to put out for this episode. I hope you enjoyed that little bit about Rose of Sharon. The expectation is that these seeds should grow to be about foot, 2 foot tall by next year, and start with just a few flowers. And um, my neighbor said that theirs in that I got this from is only about 4 years old, and it's taller than I am. So that's a nice growth rate for a bush like that. He had pretty flowers, and it'll look really nice back there, especially with the different colors side by side. So, all right, thank you.